Understanding Live Tutorials, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore the concept of live tutorials. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding this term will enhance your online learning experience. Live tutorials are real-time instructional sessions conducted over the internet. Unlike pre-recorded videos, these tutorials happen live, meaning they are broadcasted at a specific time and allow for immediate interaction between the instructor and learners. This interaction can include asking questions, receiving instant feedback, and participating in live discussions. One of the key advantages of live tutorials is the immediate interaction. This means you can get your doubts cleared right away. Additionally, they often create a sense of community, as you learn alongside others from around the world. Live tutorials also tend to be more engaging and dynamic, keeping your learning experience fresh and motivating. Participating in a live tutorial is easy. You'll need a stable internet connection, a device to join the session, like a computer or smartphone, and, in some cases, a headset for better audio quality. It's important to join on time and to interact respectfully with the instructor and other learners. To make the most of live tutorials, prepare in advance. Review the topic, jot down questions, and ensure your technology works properly. During the tutorial, don't hesitate to ask questions and participate in discussions. After the session, review your notes and try to apply what you've learned. That's all for today's video on live tutorials. We hope this has been informative and will help you in your journey of learning English. Remember, live tutorials are a great way to interact and learn in real time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.